Day! Galing ako sa Asian store at may nabili ako na palaka or baki sa Bisaya. Baki. And naisip ko na mag-adobo na baki kasi naisip ko dati nang umuwi kami ng Philippines. First time ni Papi sa Tagum ay nag-order kami ng palaka na adobo doon sa, hindi ko alam kung anong restaurant yun, at kumain siya. So naisip ko, why not nalutuan ko siya? Kaya lang yung ating soy sauce is hindi siya pang Pilipino na soy sauce kundi pang Japanese or Chinese na soy sauce. Pero sige lang, baka same lang din ang lasa. Hindi natin nilagyan ng maraming soy sauce. So ito na po siya. Ayan na po siya. Ayan. Magkano ba yung nabili ko nito? Basta lahat ng nabili ko is 42 euro. Hindi ko alam kung magkano ito. Siguro half ng 42. So mga 20 euro. Hindi ko na naalala kung magkano ang bili ko nito. Pero sa Asian store ko ito nabili. Ayan siya oh. Pagang. At naisip ko na magpatulong tayo kay Arya magluto. First time niya makakita ng frog na niluto. At siguro first time ni Arya makatikim ngayon ng palaka. Mas maigi na magpatulong tayo. Tingnan natin yung kanyang reaction. Hala! My God, ito pala gitsura. Ayan siya. Parang ang daming cellophane. Ah, isa-isa pala. Oh my God. Tingnan nyo. Oh gosh. So, isa-isang nilagay yung palaka sa cellophane na ganyan. Medyo ano pa siya ba? Kagabi ko pa ito ni-defrost. Like, nilabas ko lang sa freezer. Pero, matigas pa rin siya. Oh gosh. Sige lang. Ibabad ko lang siya sa warm water para lalambot siya. Ilang years na ako hindi nakatikim ng palaka. My God. Parang tumayo ka ng balahibo ko, uy. Hi, Mom. Wow! Hello, love. How are you? Come here. So, habang nagintay tayo ng mga siguro 5 to 10 minutes, maghiwa na tayo ng ating mga panakot or spices. Like, maghiwa na tayo ng onion tsaka garlic. Sayang, wala na pala kaming Sprite. Masarap ito pag may Sprite ba? Sugar na lang kaya nilagay ko, no? Arya? Yeah. Hi! Are you okay?
Yeah.
Should we buy first some Sprite ingredients?
Yes.
Are you okay now? Yeah, I think we have not so much time to buy. So I will cut all the spices and then we can cook. Are you ready?
And me?
Yeah.
And me?
You and me?
Yeah.
You and Mama, yeah?
And how about me? You got all spicy and then we can eat, but...
You wanna help me to cook?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You gonna help me?
No.
Okay, then I will call you. Now here, you stay here.
No, wait.
You said you're gonna help me.
If you call me, I'll be right just behind the kitchen, okay?
Okay, thank you. Oh my goodness.
What's wrong?
Ayan siya. Kailangan ko pa siya tawagin. Okay, gonna call you now. Are you ready? Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, Arya Maisie! So, una mong ilagay, Day. Ang una mong ilagay is olive oil, Day.
Am I doing?
Yeah. Okay, Day.
No.
Olive oil. Mag-olive oil tayo.
Okay. But a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, tulungan kita, Day. Okay. Enough na, Day. This is really, really... wait, sir. Don't move.
Okay.
Because that's really, really hot. That's super hot. Wait. Oh my God. That's hot now. Wait. Before you put the onion and garlic, teka lang. Yeah, good. You have to sit down. Yeah, sit down. In. So, just look there, yeah? Don't look here first. Okay?
What are you doing?
No, don't look here.
Okay. What are you doing then?
Just wait. Just wait for I said wait, okay?
Okay.
I said wait, then you have to wait. Okay? Wait. Oh. Where is it? I need the bowl. What happened?
So I cannot wait to see that. I can't wait.
Don't look here, don't look
Okay.
here. I have a surprise for you.
I can't.
Oh. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Ito na yung palaka. So, okay, 1, 2, open your eyes. Do you know what is this?
Frog.
It's a frog.
Can I touch it?
You can touch. Okay. You tell them. You tell them, what is this?
Why not the body?
There's no body and there's no face. Bakit na walang body? So is it, you cannot eat the inside in the face, only the here, because here's the food, like the muscle. Ayan, there's a frog.
Oh my god.
Eh!
I just kissed.
Yucky! It's not yet cooked.
I just kissed, not eat.
Is it a fairy tale that you're gonna kiss the frog? Oh my god! Look at that! Are you happy to see the frog in real?
Look at the frog.
Oh my god! Don't do that! I thought that you're gonna scared, but you're not scared. So first things first, we put this, okay?
Okay, can I put it?
Yeah. Be careful. Just be careful. Man.
And what's this one next?
Not yet. We have to cook first the onion.
Can
and
I
the...
cook? Can I? Okay.
Man. So, just be very careful. I don't want you to get hurt and or to be burned. So we sing first. I told you.
No, you just put out. That's only the water splashing into me.
Yeah, that's the... I told you the oil is splashing. It hurts, you know? Okay, we're gonna sing now.
That's not burning.
We're gonna sing now. Oh, McDonald's has a farm.
Yeah.
One has a farm. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, McDonald's has a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And in the farm there's a lot of frogs. E-I-E-I-O. And the quack quack here.
And why do you say quack quack here?
Ay! Quack quack. Sorry. And the ribbit. Yeah, the ribbit. Okay. And in the farm there's a lot of frogs. E-I-E-I-O. And the quack here.
And ribbit here.
Quack.
Ribbit.
Ribbit. You can put na the ribbit. You
Okay.
can put the ribbit now. Just be careful, don't splash. Just do like this, no? Like mama. That.
It's so hot.
Yeah.
Ah!
Yeah, I told you. Ayan na po ang ating frog. Good.
It's getting. I got so many frogs.
I thought that you're scared of frog, but you're not scared. You like
And the
it.
last one.
Yeah, good
Ta-da!
job. And now you wash your hands.
No, Mama, just not do it.
But you need to wash your hands because we have a lot of frog in our hands.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
Oh, McDonald's has. Yeah.
ginger powder and garlic powder.
Is this enough?
More, please. So, naka-off siya para hindi siya pipisik kay Aria.
But can I cook? Because you just do this.
Okay. So, I'm gonna put the pepper.
Why are you so fast and I'm slow?
You can say, Mom, I do it every day.
Look at guys, look at the frogs. Look. It's right.
Hindi po masyadong ano yung apoy kasi natakot ako na baka mapasok si Arya. So,
Wow, that was good.
okay now. Wait, Mama now?
No. I want to have it because I help you. I'm not scared.
And good job, Chef.
I'll put the apple in.
Okay. Parang kinabahan ako eh. Kaya baka mapasok ito siya ba? Okay.
Is this enough?
More. Oh, enough na. Oh my God. A lot of pepper.
Can I put the
This
oil?
is the soy sauce. Is that
Can
oil?
I?
I need to put it. Oh, you put it.
Mommy, can I?
Oh my God. Maybe I can put this.
Okay.
So we put some soy sauce. Ayan. Thank you.
Oh, it's going to fall down. Here, Mama, the phone.
Thank you.
Mommy, how about the pepper and salt?
It's already finished.
No, Mommy, this one I need a cover.
Okay.
Actually,
What is actually?
it's actually burning right now.
So you go there now, come.
Smell like frogs. Can I put it?
Okay, more. Okay, enough na. Wow, spicy.
No, I'll mix. Mommy, your hands and my hands. You make it together.
Ginoo ko. Okay, I need to close it now. Where's the cover?
There. I'll get it. Don't worry.
Oh, don't worry pa siya. Thank you, love.
Super heavy. Here, Mama.
Oh, is it heavy? Oh, yeah. Thank you.
First mix.
I'm not sure if should I close it or not.
It's gonna be. It's okay for us.
Yeah.
Mama, I told you.
Thank you so much for helping me, my love.
You're welcome.
Oh. Let's try kasi alam nyo, yung frog, I think para rin siyang shrimp na madaling maluto. I'm not sure pero to be sure, isipin ko na lang na karne ito ng chicken. Kaya tagalan natin ng konti pero itry na natin. Kasi mag 20 minutes na rin. Masyadong matamis. Wala ka ng asin. Ayaw ko kasi siya na masyadong maanghang kasi kakain si Arya ba. Just in case. Masarap talaga pag may Sprite ito eh. Sayang walang Sprite. Pero luto na siya. Lagyan din siya ng cornstarch. Kung wala kayong cornstarch, ano na lang, harina. Lagay ko na yan agad. Para lang pampalapot lang ba. Kasi masyadong marami yung sauce. Palaputin natin ng konti. Okay lang yan. Ayan. Diba? Nawala na yung ingay. Gusto ko din na para siyang magisa sana. Kaya lang masyado siyang maraming sauce. Hindi ko naman siya nilagyan ng water. Kaya nagkaganito. Haluin na lang ng haluin din para mauga ba, ma-dry. Sarap yung dry siya. Okay na siya. May lasa na siya. Pero dapat dry siya kasi baka mandiri si Papi. No, masyado siyang matubig or maraming sauce. Dapat dry sana siya pagkaluto. Mali siya. I don't know kung bakit every time na nagluluto ko ng mga ganito, no? Hindi siya nagda-dry, parang malambot na daming tubig. Yan, iprito ko siya dito.
Mommy, you just put, I just take some video of you there for your hand. And then he make a slime. Oh.
Iprito ko ulit siya.
Yeah. What's that? Mommy, look. I'll be there for the hand. I'll give you my little trouble by your side. I'll be there.
Here's our finished product. Ayan na, naluto na yung ating palaka or baki. Ano ba itong pula? Ay, ang soy sauce. Ayan. Ang ating baki ay luto na. Napakabango. at tikman na natin. Ay, you wanna try your baki?
Oh my god, it's finished!
Yes, it is.
Finished! Our frog is finished!
Yes, our frog is finished. Oh my
Can
god.
I put it?
You want rice? Should we put some rice?
Yes.
So, ayan na po. So, wait, I will show to them. So, here's our frog. Nawala na yung kanyang, naputol-putol na siya. Ganito na yung- Putol-putol. Kasi putol-putol. Putol-putol na siya. Yeah. So, the first bite is yours. But it's a little bit...
Let's put rice first. Put rice.
Oh, you want rice?
Yeah.
So, here's our rice here. Wait.
I'll try it. Please subscribe. And if you subscribe, I'll eat. I'll try it. Then
Not with your hand. Not with your hand, love.
it's our pani.
Frog. Baki. So,
Mmm.
really?
Mmm.
It's yummy?
Mmm.
Okay. Oh, yeah! Nagustuhan ni Arya! Yeah! Arya loves it. Mmm.
Mmm.
It's yummy.
I'll tell you.
Maybe your dad will like it.
Mmm.
Pero yung karne...
Best. The best. Oh no, Mama, help me. I just do like this. The best and there's.
Masarap na kanyang pagkaluto, pero yung karne niya, mas masarap pa rin ang chicken. For me, ha. Later, magluto tayo ng steak for Papi, kasi parang, I'm not sure kung kakain pa talaga siya nito. Pero,
Snuff?
yeah, one more, please.
Okay.
Pero I'm sure na masarap naman yung pagkaluto niya. Yung frog, hindi ako sure kung kakain pa talaga siya nito. Kasi last time, nung sa tago na-remember ko, kumain siya nun kasi hindi niya alam kung ano, kala niya chicken. But, kinain niya. Sabi niya, masarap naman daw. So, let's eat. Let's appetit. Kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Kinamot mo lang ko eh. I just use my hand, yeah.
Me also.
Ano, Filipina?
The best
Thank you.
ever.
Wow, thank you. Sarap.
Sup. Wait.
Sarap.
Sup. Sup. Can't believe it. So up.
Thank you, love.
Cannot say so up. I cannot say so up if I'm stuck and say so up. So up. Huh? Sounds like that. I can't believe it. So up.
You're so cute.
Oh, yeah, so up.
It's now time to clean up and we will also fold the clothes. Dapat mag-inom tayo ng Coke. Pero si Arya, never pa yan nakainom si Arya ng Coke. Ay, nakatry pala taste, but hindi pa yan siya talagang bawal pa yan siya uminom ng Coke. But I think I need Coke parang medyo malangsa. Kailangan malinis yung bahay bago darating yung ating asawa. Kaya, maglinis muna ako dito. Kusina, and then yung ating ayan. Papa is here now. A lot of snacks, my goodness. Wow.
Like my good hot dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ito na si Papi. Arya, you're surprised?
Surprise for Papa, was it?
You cover the eyes of Papa first.
Close the eyes. I showed you yesterday.
Hmm? Wait. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, and then.
Open your eyes.
Wow!
It's frog. That frog's not real. It's food.
You're gonna give it to your dad.
Want to try it?
Yes, of course.
Arya, cook it.
You eat it.
Arya, cook.
I just tried. It's so yummy.
Yeah. And she cook it also.
With my mom.
Yes. Ayan, dahil dumating na si Papi, magluto po tayo ng rump steak. Just in case hindi niya magustuhan yung ating palaka. Kaya, meron tayong pang second option. Napakadali lang yung lutuin yung steak. You only need 5 to 10 minutes. Luto na siya. I-dry ko lang siya bago ko lagyan ng spices. Lagyan ko lang muna ng onion. And then, we have steak crab. Ayan. So, perfect. Ilagay na natin. Oh. Wow. Habang naghihintay tayo na maluto yung ating steak, magawa tayo ng salad. Pino salad lang. So, ito yung available natin. Dito na pala siya. Arya? Ba, ang sarap ng salad ko kahit pepino lang ito. Kahit lemon at saka salt. Arya, you want to eat more? Luwain natin yung steak agad. Magpagod lang siya konti, mag-brown lang ba. Kay si Papi, tamad din siya maghiwa. Ano na kapag steak, uy, ang lambot niya, uy. Pag hindi masyadong luto, malambot. Wow. Tapos, lami kayong sauce, ani. Sarap na sarap ang sauce nito. Yung steak ni Papi, yung palaka, i-separate ko lang kaya baka hindi niya magustuhan. Sobrang sarap. Try ko isa. Napaka-soft. Kayan ko. Hala! For you? Why are you so serious? I'm just like... Ayan, nagluto ulit tayo ng steak kasi naubos ni Papi at gusto pa niya. So, second steak na po ito. Kaya hanggang dito na lang po yung ating vlog for today. Bye!